Hey, thanks for tuning in today. I have something here that I've been using for years, since 2004. And kitty cats like it too. Phoebe's here today because she wants some. So I'm going to give her a little bit off the back of the spoon, which is clean. If I can break some off. And this is coconut oil. Look at her. Miss Phoebe. This is really good for cats. So this is extra virgin, unrefined coconut oil. This is actually the McCullough brand. Let's see what they call it. Extra virgin coconut oil, 100% organic, cold pressed, centrifuged, extracted. Very high quality stuff. And look, cats love it. Very good for hairballs. That's not what we're talking about today, and you know that because you've seen the title. But it is good to give to cats for hairballs. Zeus, who's laying back there off camera, will hack like a 2-day-a-pack smoker from his hairballs. I'll give him this. Done. If they don't want it, you rub it on them. It's on my other channel. You can go watch the cat videos on Ginger Kitties 4 if you want to see that. Look for the one on coconut oil. So we're going to talk about today with the coconut oil, and we're going to swish it around. What's it called again?
Oil swishing.
Oh no, oil pulling. That's it. Yeah, oil pulling. Yeah, it's weird because it's like pulling, but you're not. You're swishing. So you'll probably see a lot of videos. I'll probably call this one oil pulling as well. So you can use any kind of oils you want, but you need to use something healthy. Don't use canola oil. It's man-made. It's very toxic. Go research it. And there'll be a lot of people out there saying it's good, but you have to decide for yourself. I only use coconut oil. Olive oil works good, but you got to be careful of that as well. So what we're going to do is you can do as much as you can handle, okay? And you want to do it up to 20 minutes. So I'm going to get some on here. I keep my house kind of cold, and which my producer can attest to, because I like it cold. But once the coconut oil gets above 76, it becomes liquid. So in the summertime, if you don't have the AC on, you'll see this is a clear liquid. This is a good amount to start with. It's most of a tablespoon. I'm going to put it in my mouth and just swish around. You want to swish it everywhere. You want to do it for 20 minutes. But I'm going to show you something different. We're going to do it for 10 minutes, but you're not going to have to watch me the whole time. We'll just fast forward it through the magic of television. But we'll show you what it looks like. So I'm going to put this in my mouth, just swish it, kind of melt it and spit it out, let you see. Then we're going to show you what it looks like after 10 minutes of being in my mouth. And then you'll understand why you don't want to do 20 minutes straight. You want to do 2 10-minute sessions and refresh the coconut oil halfway through. So let's do this. It tastes like lard. You like that, eh? Mm. 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 Too much. Too much. Mm. 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 Ooh, you like that? This isn't going to really melt yet, so it still looks like coconut oil. That was a little bit too much from my mouth. So what I wanted to show you what it looks like clear before it gets messed up, so you really can't see a difference here. So we're just going to have to show you the after, how nasty it gets. So let's put a little bit more in my mouth. That was way too much. We're just going to do half. And we're going to do it for 10 minutes. You going to time me? You ready? Let's do this. Tell me when you're ready. The idea is to melt it in your mouth. Your body heat will melt it, and then you swish it around. All right, let's go. All right, so you like that gag reflex, right? We decided melting it is much better. So here's some coconut oil, mostly melted. There's a few clumps at the bottom. I had to warm it up in a container on the stove because I don't use microwaves. That's a whole different story. But I got some coconut oil right there. Just use stain. It'll get it out because it is a kind of oil, you know. But this will work much better than doing the lard one. So also why this is better is we want it to go everywhere in your mouth. You want to reach all the corners, all the nooks and crannies. And when I did it in its non-liquid state, it's going to take a lot longer to melt. You going to be ready to record me? Tell me when. All right, let's go. Okay, we got some milk and magnesia here. So this is clear coconut oil, nice and clear. And this is just after 10 minutes. I've seen it look grosser than this. This doesn't look bad at all. I don't know, I don't want to dump it on the floor. But it's pretty solid. What do you think? It looks white.
It's from pulling all the tartars and stuff.
All right. All the tartars and stuff. So while we were doing this over the last 10 minutes, I was reminded, because I'm sure I've read this in the past somewhere, when I've read about oil pulling. You should only use coconut oil because it pulls the bacteria, right? And the other ones don't. So coconut oil is the best. That was just 10 minutes. Now I get to do another one, but you don't have to wait around for this. All right, you know what to do. Do a 10-minute one, swish it around. Oh, I'm doing it on camera. I did it off camera, but it sucks because I'm sitting here. Normally, what I've done in the past is when I take a shower is when I've done it, because I can't stand just to sit there. And I know other people told me they do chores and cleaning and stuff while they have it in their mouth, right?
Yes.
So it's best, especially if you can't handle having stuff in your mouth for 10 minutes swishing. It is hard, and that's why you break up that 20 minutes into 10 minutes. Great. So that's it for I feel good. It feels really good, but I need to do another one, and I'm not going to make you watch that. Just remember that this is just my opinion, my experience. I'm not recommending you to do this. And the FDA hasn't evaluated, they haven't looked at any of the statements. It's not meant to cure, diagnose, treat, all that stuff we have to say. So take it for what it's worth. I can feel something else that loosened up. Ooh, another piece of garbage. Great. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Please share this with everyone who it will help. And check out all our other videos. We got a lot of them. Look down below for links where to buy the coconut oil. Where to get that at either Amazon or iHerb.com or davidwebbnaturally.com. Something will be down there where you can get it from, and that helps us out so we can do more videos, and it helps you out because now you found something that is natural, organic, and pure, so you can avoid toxins. See you later.